Alright, we've got a major legal update in the ongoing battle between Sean Diddy Combs and media giant NBCUniversal, and this one could decide whether the case even makes it to trial. Today, January 31st, 2026, Diddy's legal team officially filed a response fighting back against NBC's attempt to get his $100 million defamation lawsuit thrown out. And trust me, they did not hold back. According to the new filing, Diddy's attorneys say NBCUniversal and the production company behind the documentary, Diddy, The Making of a Bad Boy, didn't just report controversial claims. They allegedly pushed what the lawsuit calls knowingly false and even unhinged narratives. Diddy's team says the documentary presented serious criminal allegations, including claims of violent crimes and abuse, without verified evidence, and that the network acted with what lawyers describe as reckless disregard for the truth. In defamation law, that phrase is key. It's basically legal language for saying they knew this might be false and aired it anyway. That's a high bar to prove, but if a court agrees, it's a game changer. The filing also pushes back hard on conspiracy-related claims featured in the film involving the deaths of Kim Porter, the Notorious B.I.G., and Heavy D. Diddy's legal team says those theories are directly contradicted by medical findings and police records, and that presenting them as credible crosses the line from storytelling into defamation. They're basically arguing this wasn't opinion, this wasn't speculation clearly labeled as such, this was presented in a way that damages a man's reputation. Diddy's publicist, Judah Engelmeyer, added that NBC is allegedly leaning on undisclosed and unreliable individuals, and that the truth of those claims should be examined in court, not tossed out early through a dismissal. That's the heart of this move. Diddy's team wants a judge to say, okay, this deserves a full trial. Diddy first filed this lawsuit back in February 2025, claiming the documentary painted him as a villainous figure to cash in on his legal troubles and public scrutiny. NBCUniversal responded by asking the court to dismiss the case, arguing the film is protected under First Amendment rights and meets journalistic standards. Now the judge has to decide, is this protected media coverage or could it be defamatory enough to go before a jury? This legal clash is unfolding while Diddy is already serving a 50-month federal sentence related to charges handed down in late 2025. But this lawsuit, completely separate case, different claims, different legal fight, and if it moves forward, it could become one of the biggest media defamation trials involving a celebrity in years. This one is far from over. If the judge lets it proceed, NBC may have to defend its reporting under oath, and that means internal decisions, sources, and editorial choices could all come under the spotlight. Stay locked in. I'll break down the judge's ruling the moment it drops. For our channel to grow, send a donation to the Cash App link below. This is VJ signing out.